time to tap into the value of your home and cash out your equity? The big question you should be asking is, when you sell, do you know how much it's going to cost you and what you're going to net at the end of the day? Nothing's really ever free, and selling property is no different. Closing costs occur on both the buyer and the seller side of the transaction. Here's what you should expect to see when you sell your property. Property taxes, recording the deed, closing attorney fees, title search, owner's title policy, deed stamps, mortgage payoff, any credits you're offering towards the buyer, professional fees, and brokerage fees. The types and cost of these items can vary depending upon your area. When selling a house, you should be asking your agent for a net sheet. When I am meeting with sellers, I always provide a net sheet because what it does is it shows the price, or maybe a couple different prices, the various fees and closing costs, and at the end of the day, what they're going to approximately net. It's not necessarily an exact science, but it gives them a really good idea of what they're going to walk away with. It's especially helpful once offers start coming in, because if you're starting to negotiate or give concessions, it's really easy to refer back to that net sheet to know how it's going to affect their pocketbook at the end of the day. And these costs get paid at closing from your net proceeds. So if you were going to walk away with a certain amount of money, they're going to take it off the top to pay the various fees, and you'll pocket the rest. Knowing these numbers is going to provide clarity, and it's one of my favorite words lately because clarity is going to allow you the opportunity to make the best decision with confidence as to whether or not right now is the best time to sell your home. And if it is the right time, then you're going to want to know exactly how you do it the best way, because when you're selling a property, the best way is in the least amount of time for the most amount of money. I'm Lindsey Johnson, your resource for all things real estate. See you next time.